In this video, I'll show you 15 easy oat recipes that you can prepare in just 10 minutes. Please note that the cooking time for oats in water can vary depending on the type of oats you are using. For example, quick cooking oats need 1 to 2 minutes. Rolled oats need 5 to 7 minutes. Steel-cut oats need 20 to 30 minutes, stirring occasionally for all types. Oatmeal with banana and honey. Cook 1/2 cup of oats in 1 cup of water or milk. Slice a banana and mix it into the cooked oats, then drizzle with honey. Peanut butter and jelly overnight oats. In a mason jar, mix 1/2 cup of oats, 1/2 cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, and 1 tablespoon of jelly. Stir well, cover, and refrigerate overnight, and in the morning, top with fresh berries or sliced banana. Oatmeal with nuts and dried fruit. Cook 1/2 cup of oats in 1 cup of water or milk. Stir in a handful of chopped nuts and dried fruit, such as raisins or cranberries. You can sprinkle with cinnamon. Blueberry almond oatmeal. Cook 1/2 cup of oats in 1 cup of water or milk. Stir in a handful of blueberries and chopped almonds, then drizzle with maple syrup or honey. Chocolate banana oatmeal. Cook 1/2 cup of oats in 1 cup of water or milk. Mash a ripe banana and stir it into the cooked oats. Add 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder and stir well, then drizzle with honey or maple syrup. Apple cinnamon oatmeal. Cook 1/2 cup of oats in 1 cup of water or milk. Add chopped apples, cinnamon, and a drizzle of honey or maple syrup and stir to combine. Savory oatmeal with egg. Cook 1/2 cup of oats in 1 cup of water or broth. While the oats are cooking, fry an egg. Then top the cooked oats with the fried egg, grated cheese, and salt and pepper to taste. Yogurt and berry oatmeal. Mix 1/2 cup of oats with 1/2 cup of Greek yogurt and a handful of fresh berries and drizzle with honey or maple syrup if desired. Peanut butter and banana oatmeal smoothie. Blend 1/2 cup of oats, 1 banana, 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, 1 cup of milk, and a handful of ice in a blender until smooth. Oatmeal raisin cookie energy bites. In a food processor, blend 1 cup of oats, 1/2 cup of raisins, 1/4 cup of peanut butter, 1/4 cup of honey, and a pinch of salt until well combined. Roll the mixture into bite-sized balls and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes before serving. Chocolate peanut butter oatmeal. Cook 1/2 cup of oats in 1 cup of water or milk. Stir in 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, and 1 tablespoon of honey. Top with sliced bananas and chopped nuts. Overnight oats with chia seeds. Mix 1/2 cup of oats, 1/2 cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract in a mason jar. Stir well, cover, and refrigerate overnight, and in the morning, top with fresh berries and a drizzle of honey. Oatmeal raisin smoothie. Blend 1/2 cup of oats, 1/2 cup of vanilla yogurt, 1/2 cup of almond milk, 1/4 cup of raisins, and a pinch of cinnamon in a blender until smooth. Maple walnut oatmeal. Cook 1/2 cup of oats in 1 cup of water or milk. Stir in 1 tablespoon of maple syrup and a handful of chopped walnuts and top with sliced apples and a sprinkle of cinnamon. Oatmeal breakfast cookies. Mix 1/2 cup of oats, 1/2 cup of mashed bananas, 1/4 cup of peanut butter, 1/4 cup of honey, and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract in a bowl. Drop spoonfuls of the mixture onto a baking sheet and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 10 minutes, or until golden brown. I hope you found these ideas helpful. See you next time.